Today I'm going to be assuming something. Unless you're subscribed to my channel, you are watching this video because you are absolutely worried because somebody wrote a message on your screen with the Apple or Google or Microsoft logo stating something along the lines of that your browser or your battery or your device has been compromised, damaged, or infected. There's a phone number to call to get help for it, and you don't know if it's true or not. Well, before I get into anything else, my name is Steve Smith. This is TQA Weekly. Now, if you are short on time, you just want the answer, and I know there's some out there that do only want the freaking answer. You're only getting the answer. Should you be worried about it? No. Turn it off, continue your day, unless you want to know why it's happening and what you can do about it. So, the question, why is this happening? Somebody has crafted code into an advertisement in a way that makes it look like it's a real alert. And they've done this by bypassing a whole bunch of ethics, allowing that message to show up as being supposedly real. The phone number will only take you to a call center of spam and wannabe hacker specialists that may further compromise your device, but more likely take your money and steal your identity. So do not ever call that number. This is basically why people do it. Because they're after money. And there are a lot of noobs out there. So newbies, people who don't know what they're doing that shouldn't be online, that end up being tricked into giving away their identities, their money, and even getting their devices hacked, infected, or even bricked. Now let's deal with some of these devices. And I'm going to start off with the easiest one because this is hilarious because people simply won't understand this. If it's an iPhone or an iPad, there's absolutely no problem. You can just double tap and swipe out and that's it. End of story. So for all those Android lovers, Apple's got you on that. They really don't have a problem with infections. If you have an Android phone or tablet, you are capable of being infected. You have to be more careful. You can download an antivirus to completely clean out your device if there's any infections. You can remove the offending application and then reinstall a real or fresh install unless it's one that you can't, like Google Chrome, which has happened to somebody I know, which is why I'm talking about it. In that case, you can go to settings, the apps, and then you can disable that specific app, which will bring it back all the way to the day one settings. And then when you re-enable it, it will simply go and download all the updates for it. And then all you have to do is modify your behavior online. If you're on a computer, you can get antivirus and anti-malware scanners. And if you can't remove that infection, well, you can always reinstall the operating system. And it's the same thing for Android. If you really can't get rid of an infection, you can do a factory reset, which is also possible on iPhones and iPads, but they're not prone to infection the way they're coded. So this is not something that's real. Sure, there can be viruses, but you shouldn't call them, you shouldn't pay them, and you definitely shouldn't believe that it is real. Like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, for everything else, especially the ability to search for other problems that you might be having, other episodes, see the show notes, join a newsletter, join the website, and of course, many, many other things as well. Thank you for watching and goodbye.